Today, I feel like giving a history lesson. In the Middle Ages, some people believed that fruit from the trees were good to eat because they grew up high. Foods growing in the ground were not. I'm from the Andes region in South America, where potatoes come from. Potatoes are a starchy, edible tuber, and there are thousands of varieties. I'm using an ancient indigenous technique, cooking potatoes and truffles in a clay, a rich tuber next to a poor one. Once upon a time, nobody liked potatoes in Europe until a French man, Monsieur Parmentier, promoted eating them during a time of hunger in the 1700s. Potatoes are incredibly good and versatile. And this recipe is really the definition of handcrafted cooking.